You're listening to Faith, Stewardship, and Insurance, Protecting Texas Churches. The show that gives pastors and church leaders the clarity they need to protect their people, property, and ministry.
Welcome back to Faith, Stewardship, and Insurance, Protecting Texas Churches. I'm your host, Ron Wadley with Insurance for Texans. We help church leaders protect their church and their mission with confidence and clarity. In today's episode, we are going to discuss what Texas churches need to know about level-funded health coverage. Felicia leads the finance committee at her church in Fort Worth. When their health insurance renewal notice showed up this year, she felt the same frustration every church leader has felt at some point. Premiums were shooting up again, and without good explanation. No breakdown, no transparency, just pay more or cut benefits. Felicia didn't want to push her team onto the ACA marketplace, and she didn't want to slash health insurance that her people depended on. She needed a better option. That's when we introduced her to level-funded coverage, a model that finally gave her church some control. Felicia learned their old plan was fully insured, which means the church was paying a fixed premium. The insurer keeps the money even if claims are low. And then when claims rise across the insurer's whole book of business, everyone's rates go up. This is true even if your own staff barely uses the plan. Churches keep paying more, but never benefit from being low risk. That's where level-funded plans change the story. A level-funded plan still gives you predictable monthly payments, but that payment is divided into three areas: administrative fees, stop-loss insurance to cap big claims, and a claims fund for everyday medical expenses. And if claims are lower than expected, the church receives a refund of unused claims dollars. Felicia's biggest concern was risk. She was worried that a major medical event would result in a huge bill for the church to pay. Thankfully, that is where stop-loss protection comes in. This protection caps the church's responsibility, and therefore one unexpected claim won't blow up the ministry budget. These plans give the church flexibility and potential savings without taking on unlimited risk. Level-funded plans not only offer more flexibility, but transparency as well. There is monthly reporting that shows how much went to claims and administration, as well as what remains in the claims fund. For churches committed to stewardship, this kind of transparency is a game changer. Felicia didn't try to navigate this alone. She partnered with our team at Insurance for Texans. Through our True Texas Church Insurance program, we compared her current plan with multiple level-funded options. In addition, we showed her stop-loss terms, claims reporting, plan design, and budget impact. These discussions helped her committee to go from reacting to a renewal to making a proactive, wise decision. They were happy that they weren't cutting benefits or forcing employees to fend for themselves. This solution helped them to build sustainable health benefits. Level-funded health coverage isn't perfect for every Texas church, but for many, it's a smarter, more transparent, and often more affordable way to care for staff while practicing wise stewardship. If you want to explore whether or not level-funded health coverage is right for your church, visit insurancefortexans.com to connect with our church insurance team. We'll walk through your options and help you build a plan that fits both your mission and your budget. And don't forget to get your copy of our book, The Promise of Certainty. It is packed with insights that help church leaders make confident insurance decisions. Grab your copy at thepromiseofcertainty.com. I'm Ron Wadley, and this has been Faith, Stewardship, and Insurance, Protecting Texas Churches. Until next time, remember, stewardship means choosing insurance solutions that support your people and strengthen your church's future.
Thanks for listening to Faith, Stewardship, and Insurance. Until next time, remember, insurance isn't just about policies. It's about safeguarding the mission God has called you to lead.